Hi viewers, before entering into the topic, please share, like, subscribe our channel Life Vlogs. Today we are going to look into the very serious topic which needs immediate attention but no media is giving enough attention. Topic: Brazil, Amazon rainforest. Brazil, it's a continent in South American region. Not many people know the world's largest rainforest located in Brazil, which covers 50% of the land in Brazil, is in fire for the last 17 days. Wildfires often occur in dry season in Brazil, but this year it's been worse than the normal. In addition, fires are deliberately started in effort to illegal deforestation land for cattle ranchings. In area of land practicing the raising of livestock such as cattle or sheep for meat or wool, this is called ranching. The people who raise these sheep, cattle are called cattlemen. Amazon, Brazil is home to approximately 200 million heads of cattle, and it is the largest exporter in the world, supply about 1/4 of the global market. So this could be the reason for the wildfire happening in the Amazon forest. You can see the smoke from the space. The Europe Union Earth Observation Program satellite captured image of significant amount of smoke over the Amazonia and other states. The skies darkened over the Brazil for an hour Monday afternoon after the wind carried smoke from above 1,700 miles away. The area of the Amazon rainforest generates more than 20% of the world's oxygen and 10% of the world's known biodiversity. It is estimated that 16,000 tree species inhabit the Amazon. More than 430 species of mammal are found in the Amazon. Millions of species insects are found there. Over 90% of all the animal species in the Amazon. It is said that 40% of the South American continent is covered by the Amazon rainforest. From the previous facts, we can conclude that how important is Amazon forest to the world.
Olha o que eles fizeram com a nossa reserva. 2 anos que a gente estava lutando para preservar isso aqui. E agora vem os baderneiros e fica fogo na nossa aldeia. Se não bastasse a Vale matar nosso rio, matar o nosso fonte de vida, agora vieram e puseram fogo na nossa reserva. Nós não vamos nos calar. Amanhã nós vamos fechar a pista e queremos a mídia aqui para nos defender.